Tortelli is one of the most famous traditional Italian dish. It's coming especially from Emilia-Romagna. It's a kind of pasta, it's stuffed. The most traditional can be with some meat or some ricotta spinaci, so vegetarian option. To make a good tortelli, we need the right balance between the thickness of the pasta dough and the filling we have inside. How to check the thickness? What I do, what my grandmother teach me as well, when you stretch the dough, you can see your hand below the dough is, let's say, almost transparent, is the right thickness. Your pasta dough, let's say, is too thick, you can't really enjoy the filling inside because the best parts of the pasta, the reason why we love so much the tortelli, is the filling. Okay, it's a surprise when you're gonna buy the tortelli, you have the filling coming out from the pasta. I start to learn pasta with my grandmother, especially during the summertime. I spent 2 or 3 months with my grandmother when I was 4 or 5 years old. We wake up early in the morning, so we went for the fresh egg in the morning, select the right one, and go back to the kitchen and start to make the pasta for myself, for my sister, for all the family, let's say. My grandmother, she's in Italy, and 84 years old, she's still making pasta for us. She still enjoys to make pasta for all of us. As you know, in Italy, to make the fresh pasta, in-house pasta, is our culture. I enjoy making pasta because you get the ingredients, you see the ingredients are changing in your hand when you start to combine everything together. We have our guests coming back to Dolce Vita only for the homemade pasta, and I see the guests are asking for our carbonara or our tortelli. They know it's homemade, and when I had the happiness from the guests when they try our pasta, this is something really made me happy, made me proud of my kitchen, of my background, of my job. Let's say everything I do every day. When I see the people here for the pasta, this made me happy.